Hello. If you want to use G29, or I think most of the new steering wheel on NFS Shift 2, then you might want to follow my video. Now to get started, I'll open up my steering wheel software. It should be available in most softwares. You might want to set it to 270 because NFS Shift 2 doesn't really support more than that. Instead, having 900 degree causes more issue. After that, you're going to open up NFS Shift, and you're gonna open up Option once the game starts. Okay, so now that the game set started, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our control options. To do that, we're going to choose gameplay, and then we're going to press I, and here we're going to select custom wheel. You can set it to manual if you like, and then adjust. In adjust setting, you will select all your settings such as the clutch. So I'm going to click on the clutch, and I'm going to press the clutch on the pedal, and you're going to press F, and then you're going to press the clutch. And you're going to do the same thing with all of these. After that, press K. Here I set these to a very low value because the game is very stiff and it's almost unplayable if you don't have it to a lower setting. So that's it. Now if you just go to the game, it should work totally fine. I'm just gonna show you by playing it. Okay.
Come on, deep breath, focus, get ready, you can win this.
Yeah. So you can see that it's moving.
There's the green, come on, nail this one!
And you can tell that I press this clutch, I press the brake, I press the acceleration. Might not show all the input correctly, but it is working. Here you can see I can accelerate it slowly, and here we go. Force feedback is working, but it's really strong, even if it is in low setting. I don't know why, but that's just how it works. So you'll have to get used to that and use more strength. Here we are. Alright, have a nice day.